work shop bright, hidden deep from plain sight. Rainbow machines began to glow, painting colors row by row. Tommy built with gear so bright, crystal tubes and beams of light. Soon a rainbow filled the sky, shining happily up high. Red and orange, green and blue, yellow, indigo, violet too. Tommy mixed them with delight, making rainbows sparkle bright. Tommy turned the rainbow gear, magic doors appeared so near. Hidden wonders filled the room, bursting into colorful bloom. Down the conveyor colors rolled, rainbow treasures to behold. Stars and clouds danced all around, happy magic could be found. Little robots work with cheer, building dreams throughout the year. Tommy laughed and helped them too, making something bright and new. Tommy laughed and helped them too, making something